walked outside. I went, oh, it's cold. So I put a cute jacket on and put my little hoodie on. So I was tromping around because I had to walk to the restaurant. They have half the mall. You see, I don't know what they're doing. They get it all blocked off. I had to go through parking lot to get to Gloria.
Oh, no, I meant,
I don't know what's going on there. I don't know if they're repairing stuff or not.
Oh, wow. Now every time I hear doorknob.
Okay. You're crazy. Trying to be romantic here and you're I can't wait to tell my girlfriend about that crazy show. Oh my god.
Doorbell.
Yeah, no, I'm leaving that alone. Go back next Monday for my results.
Oh, I was wondering.
Yeah, I called today. The girl, I said, well, after last week, and I got my disc, and she goes, like, so? I was like, I'm supposed to see the doctor. She goes, in 5 days. And I went, oh. She goes, we have to wait to get the report. I said, well, I have the disc. She goes, those are images.
Three more doctors.